Do you know that statistics have shown that the kind of food we eat is the root cause of many sicknesses? And shockingly, between 2024 and 2025, the highest mortality rate around the world was linked to a diet-related illnesses, diseases people could have prevented simply by eating right. But here is something even more surprising. Do you know that the kind of food you eat depends greatly on your blood group? Yes, you heard me right. Two people can sit at the same table, eat the same plate of food, and yet only one person's body will respond well to it, while the other person's body quietly begins to break down. This is because your blood group plays a powerful role in how your body digests food, absorbs nutrients, fights diseases, and maintains energy. So if you truly want to live long, stay healthy, and prevent eating illnesses, you must understand the food that match your blood group. This is not about dieting. It is about knowing yourself. It is about feeding your body what it is naturally designed to handle. It is about choosing foods that heal you and not harm you. Once you understand how your blood group works, you will discover that some food give you life. They make you stronger, lighter, and more energetic, while some other kinds of food may slowly weaken your body, causing conditions such as high blood pressure, diabetes, heart diseases, digestive disorders, inflammation, immune system breakdown, excess weight gain, chronic fatigue, and so on. These illnesses don't appear overnight. They grow silently out of the food we eat every day. So imagine how powerful it is to know the exact food that your blood group needs. Imagine living with more energy, clearer skin, better digestion, a stronger immune system, and a healthier life, simply because you are eating according to your design. So whether you are blood group O, A, B, or AB, there is a unique diet meant for you, and you are about to discover the foods that resonates perfectly with your blood group, so you can eat smarter, live healthier, and enjoy a longer, happier life. So if you're interested in this, do well to subscribe, like this video, turn on your bell notification, share with your friends and family, so we can all live longer and healthier. My name is Esther. You're welcome to Healthy Life. So in this video, we're going to begin with O blood group. Whether you are O positive or O negative, you eat the same kind of food. I'm going to move to the food that promotes weight gain for this same category of people. Then I'm also going to be sharing with you food that promotes weight loss for this same category of people, provided you're trying to gain weight or lose weight. By the end of this video, you know what to eat. So now let's begin with the food that are highly beneficial to O blood group. Do you know that you need to take a lot of beef? Are you shocked? You have heard a lot of people say beef is not good, it's not healthy, don't take beef, eat chicken instead, white meat is better off. They are not talking about people in this category, because if you are O positive or O negative, you need to eat a lot of beef. It is highly beneficial to you. Just ensure it does not have high fat. You should also take liver. Liver is highly beneficial to you. You can take lamb, highly beneficial to you. If you take chicken, it is not highly beneficial to you. They are just neutral meat for people in this category. If you eat a lot of chicken, it's not doing you bad and it's not doing you any good. You're just eating it and it's just neutral. But if you take beef, you're doing yourself a lot of good. Do you get that? Now, if you take duck as well, it's neutral. It's not doing you any good. It's not causing you any harm. If you take turkey, it is also neutral. It's not doing you any good. It's not doing you any bad. So what do you take? You take beef, you take liver, you take lamb. That is for meat. And this is because people in this blood group can efficiently digest and metabolize meats because they tend to have high stomach acid content. This was an essential component in the survival of early group O's. However, you must be careful to balance your meat proteins with the appropriate fruits to avoid over-acidification, which can cause ulcers and irritation of the stomach lining. So now, if you're trying to promote weight loss, still in this blood category, you need to take seafoods that contains iodine. This will increase thyroid hormone production. Liver will also do you a lot of good if you're trying to cut down your weight, because liver provides B vitamin, which aids efficient metabolism. Also, red meat aids efficient metabolism. Spinach, it aids efficient metabolism. So all this combined will be beneficial to your body and also help you to lose weight. That's strange, right? Now let's move to food that can promote weight gain. For people in the same category, wheat, it interferes with insulin efficiency and slows metabolic rate. Corn, it interferes with insulin efficiency and slow metabolic rate. Cabbage, it inhibits thyroid hormone. Kidney beans, it impairs calorie utilization. Now let's move to dangerous meats for people in this category. Meat you should run away from. It can hurt you. We have pork. People in this blood group should not take pork, quail, and turtle. Seafood is a major component of the group O diet. Many seafoods are excellent sources of iodine, which regulates the thyroid function. Group O's typically have unstable thyroid function, which causes metabolic problems and weight gain. So, some highly beneficial seafoods for O blood group: red snapper fish, swordfish, tile fish. Kinds of seafood you should not take: catfish. You are in this blood group and you like taking catfish pepper soup, please try and avoid them. They are not going to do you any good. Barracuda and octopus fish, they are dangerous for people in this blood group. Group O should eliminate dairy foods and eggs altogether. Eggs, dairy food, yogurt, milk is not absolutely good for you if you take a lot of them. They tend to be even more difficult for Group O to digest. Soya milk and soya cheese are excellent high protein alternatives. So you can take this to complement your level of protein. Ensure to take calcium supplements, especially if you are a woman, since dairy food are the best natural source of absorbable calcium. So those are the alternatives you can take. And please avoid quail eggs. Don't take quail eggs if you're in this blood group. Don't take cow or goat milk. It is dangerous for people in this blood group. These are some highly beneficial oil for people in this blood group: olive oil, walnut oil, almond oil, cod liver oil. They are highly beneficial to you. If you take chicken eggs or duck egg, they are not causing you any harm, neither are they adding any value to you. They are neutral. So if you're in this blood group and you like taking eggs, you're just taking it for taking sake. It's not going to harm you. It's not going to add any value to you. Shocking, right? Let's move on. So Group O respond well to oils. Oils can be an important source of nutrition and an aid to elimination. You will increase their value in your system if you limit your use to the monosaturated variety. such as olive oil and flaxseed oil. This oil have positive effect in the heart and arteries and may even help reduce blood cholesterol. So take note of the high beneficial oil: olive oil, walnut oil, almond oil, and cod liver oil. These are beneficial for people in this blood category. Now let's talk about the poisonous oil that you should run away from. Avocado oil is not meant for people in this blood group. Coconut oil, it's highly dangerous. Group O find a good source of supplemental vegetable protein from some variety of nuts and seed. However, these foods should in no way take the place of high protein meat. Don't joke with taking your meat. Meat is very good for you. Just a reminder. So now let's talk about the highly beneficial nuts for people in this blood group. Walnuts, pumpkin seed, sesame seed is not common in this part of the world. Now, some dangerous nuts for people in this blood group is peanuts. Don't take peanuts. It is not good for people in this blood group. Cashew nuts. It is very dangerous for people in this blood group. Now, let's move to beans. Group O's don't utilize beans particularly well. Beans inhibit the metabolism of other more important nutrients. What are the highly beneficial beans for people in this blood group? Black-eyed peas bean, soya beans. Guys, there's a lot to cover. We still need to talk about vegetables that are good for people in this blood group, the fruits, and every other detail that I cannot cover in this video because of time and boredom. So I'm going to stop here. If you have any question, drop it for me in the comment section. Till I see you in my next video. We are going to continue this series until we cover all kinds of blood group. So stay healthy, stay happy till I see you in my next video. Bye.